Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelsey. If you are new here, today I'm doing a kind of like day in my life, productive work day vlog. Something different that I have not done ever. Bear with me. So right now I'm about to fix breakfast. I'm about to fix these protein waffles. They're pretty good. They taste like regular waffles, but they have a good source of protein, which you know I'm not mad at. I'm a type of person where I don't cook like a big giant breakfast. I usually eat overnight oats, oatmeal with fruit, and a smoothie every morning. Like literally those are my two options to go to, just because it's really easy. It works for me, so do what works for y'all. So while my food is getting ready, I'm going to talk to you guys about more of what I do. Like I said before, I'm a communication coordinator. Basically help organize and coordinate and deploy information internally and externally in my healthcare field. To go a little bit further back, I have my bachelor's degree in strategic communication, but I didn't start off that way. I was majoring in broadcast journalism. One of my professors made me realize that that wasn't for me. As much as I really love television and production, it wasn't something that I saw myself doing and even enjoyed. So I decided to switch to do strategic communications, PR, marketing in that field. And that's something that I really enjoy doing, something that I see myself building my own business in. So that's just what I'm gonna do and stick with. And if you are in the marketing field or you're currently in school for communications, marketing, PR, there's so many roles that you can go into after graduating. You can become a marketing specialist, PR specialist, a social media coordinator, social media strategist. There's so many things that you can go into with that degree. Something that I also learned along the way during my undergrad years was to do my own research and gain my own experience without having internships. So I created my own blog, my YouTube channel, something that I did on my own that was in the realm of communications and marketing. You know, I had to do, you know, the production, the editing, planning my content out, distributing it, and making sure, you know, with my blog, I had an email list and I had to keep track of the emails. And on top of that, photography, communicating with other brands, partnerships. That was something that, you know, I had to learn how to do. And so just getting those personal skills and doing your own research, even if you're starting out small or you don't have a marketing communications degree, or that's not your major, you can still go into something, do your own trade, you know, have something of your own that you can share with other people. But that is just something that I am passionate about. So let me know in the comments down below if you are in the marketing communication field. I really want to know if you guys have any questions. If you want me to do a separate video about that, I'll be so happy to. I wanted to show you all like how I stay organized and on track of my tasks throughout the day. Because if I don't have like a list of things that I need to do, if I'm not organized, things are not going to get done. So I have, of course, I write down, look, y'all don't want to read this. This is in the morning or the night before, I'll try to write down my top 3 for the day. And then after that, I just jot down all my projects and tasks that I need to do for the day or within the week, just so I can keep track of all the tasks in each subsection of what I'm doing. I find that this helps me keep tabs on what I'm doing, who I need to contact, and just manage them all in a timely fashion, you know. guys, so I am back from the gym. About to eat this protein. I need some water because my lips is dry. Ugh. I eat the Orgain protein, and that's like, to me, the healthiest protein powder. But I want to try something different. So tonight I'm just about to fix this Taylor Farms ginger soy veggie stir fry situation. It is so good. It comes with like the sauce, the noodles. It just doesn't come with chicken, but you can eat it, you know, veggie style, whatever. But this can feed like at least 3 people. I always have leftovers when I eat this. It's only about, I would say, $6. Hey guys, it is like 10:30 right now. This is where the vlog is going to end. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts about this little vlog. If you enjoyed these types of videos, let me know in the comments down below. I will do more videos like this. Let me know what other videos you guys would like me to film. I also have a lot of content coming soon, so make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you all again so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.